You know what? It is just a small habit. Not so many, just one. A while ago, I made a video called 3 Simple Steps for Growing Money, and one of those steps is what we are focusing on today. This time, I'm going to show you how to actually turn that idea into action. I'll walk you through how to use the Excel sheet we created so you can calculate your own budget in just a few seconds. By the way, the download link is in the pinned comment and also in the description. It is completely free. Are you ready? Let's go! First, if you haven't watched the first video, let's take a look at this part. What exactly is the 50-30-20 rule and where does this idea come from? The life you want, it's time to start building the plan to get there. In order to help with this stage, I recommend a budgeting method Elizabeth Warren shared in our book, All Your Work. It's called 50-30-20 rule. The idea behind the rule is you divide your monthly income into 3 main groups. 50% for needs, things like food, rent, utilities, transportation, and so on. 30% for wants, traveling, shopping, entertainment, hobbies, and 20% for savings. Let's say your monthly income is $1,000. You will spend $500 on needs, $300 on wants, and $200 for savings. But it doesn't need to be just 20% for savings. When your income grows or you can manage your spending well, it is always better saving more. Think of 20% as the starting point as a minimum. Now, let's go to the next part. Alright, let me show you briefly how to use this. This example is based on an imaginary person who earns $1,600, and these numbers are not real. They just sample 8 common expenses so you can see how a realistic monthly budget looks when it's filled in. Here is the place where you will type your monthly income, and then this will automatically calculate how much should go into your needs groups, 50%, your wants group, 30%, and your savings group, 20%. For this person, the needs group will be $800 and $480 for wants and $320 savings. And this is the place you will type all of your actual expenses within the month. And for the needs expense and for the expenses in the wants group and savings. And then the total will update automatically and immediately so you can see if you're spending within the rule or going over the limit. You will see the difference here, how you budget and then how you actually spend. Also for the wants group as well, you will see the difference here, how you budget and how did you actually spend. For the savings as well, how you target to save and how did you actually save. These graphs are automatic. Once you added all of your expenses here, the graphs will change. The good thing is that in each group, you will see easily which expenses are more and which expenses are a lot less. And this is the briefing of your needs, your wants, and your savings. For this person, this is the total amount. And as conclusion, you will see here as the budget and actual comparison. For this person, needs will be $800, $480, and savings $320. This is an imaginary person, so this is right on track. Let's say your monthly income is $1,000. Let's see how it turns out. So your needs should be $500 and you actually spend $800. So it should be less than the previous expenses, right? So this is how you can use, and this is the only thing you will add all of your extra expenses, and then all of the other information and all the graphs will change automatically. So let's see, for this person, this is deficit for the needs and wants, also for savings as well. So spend more than the total income, $600. Let's say your income is $5,000. And well, your budget for your needs is 2,500 and your wants 1,500 and your savings 1K. And your total extra spending amount is very, very good. You can save extra. So this will be extra. But when you actually added all of your actual expenses, this will change for sure. So this is how you can use this, and I hope it is useful. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next one.